welcome to Healthy Living Fitter channel. Today's video I am going to be making a simple smoothie with banana. We're gonna use banana and also a guava juice, which is a beverage one. So that's what we'll be using. Just gonna be a simple 2 ingredient. Sit tight and see me do this in just a simple way. Alright, so now I have my banana. I'm just gonna make 2 bananas today, so taking 2 from here, and as you can see it is ripe, really ripe, because it depends on the taste how ripe it is. If it is, you get the sweetness from it. Like that, I am just gonna take the skin off, just try to get all the strings out, all that you want to try and get it all out. Alright, and I'm gonna put this in here. You can cut this on a cutting board. I am used to using my hands with a knife, so just be careful when you are using this. Always use your cutting board. Okay, and get all the strings out. Once I finish this, it's just for my hands. Alright, so now I am going to just shake this and take some out. I use this is like a bottle opener. It is on your wrist when you are opening anything when it comes to a jar. So I just put this around this here, and then twist it. And then it twists. Instead of trying to use my hand to open this and put so much pressure on my wrist, this is simple. I just use this and open it up. So now I'm gonna pour like 2 glasses, like 1.5 glass, and I'm gonna pour this on here. Okay, and I am just going to cover this up here, and we are just going to blend. You can see the texture is so creamy. Okay, so now we're just gonna pour this off here and pour all this in here. You can see the texture. Oh my. And you can add ice if you want. For me, I do this, I just put it in the refrigerator for it to cool, maybe an hour, or I can just drink it right away. And so I'm gonna give it a taste. This is good. You taste the guava juice in it. You taste the banana as well. It's so smooth, so tasty. It's sweetness because the banana is ripened, and then the guava juice have a sweetness to it, so you taste all the sweetness and all together. And it's really good. So I hope you can make this at home and let me know what you think. You can add an ice to it before you blend it, and I'm gonna one of the videos I'm gonna try and add ice to some of the smoothies that I'll make. I am not just an ice person, so when I make my smoothies I don't add ice to them. I hardly will do that, and so I just put it in a refrigerator, cool for me, and I drink it, or I just drink it right away, just like this. And this is what I'm gonna be doing, drink this just like that. And so that brings to the end of this video, and I hope you can try this and leave a comment in the comment section below for me, and let me know what you think about this juice when you mix it all together. And if you are interested in how to get this, I am going to try and put a link below the description of how you can get this on. I think you can get this from either Amazon or Walmart. I'm going to try and leave a link for you that you can buy this. It's really nice. I use this all the time. I don't use my hand to open anything. When it comes to a jar with a lid on it, I don't. I use this to open everything now, and it's so simple. The pressure of your wrist when you are trying to twist it. So that's that. And also this blender, this is a plastic blender. I have a glass. I like using this a lot because it's just so simple, and I am not afraid that I'm going to break it. So I use this a lot, and I will leave a link of this in the description below for you as well, if you're interested in what kind of blender to use. This is just a simple one that I use, and it has all the measurements. You can measure it here, how you want to do your smoothies or juice, whatever it is that you are doing. So that's that one. So that brings to the end of this smoothie video, this little experiments that we make today, and I will see you on my next video. Just let me know how you think about this juice, and I'll see you. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Until next time, bye bye.